Wally for them, Wally power to mispronounce. Wagwan people, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Renee Rowena's channel. Nice to see you all again. Thanks for coming by, stopping by, and supporting your girl. Today I just want to do another Jamaican video. You know, we're representing, yes always Jamaica. No, we're no better than you don't know. So today we're gonna be doing a Jamaican video, words Jamaican mispronounce. There are lots of words that we mispronounce in Jamaica. I find it funny, however. Keep watching. Let's get right into the video. Pow. So the first word is Tuesday. Today I went again. Which day today again? Yesterday was Monday. So today is Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. We don't say Tuesday in Jamaica. We say Tuesday. Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. And next week Tuesday school are open back, you know. When? Next Tuesday. Tuesday. Next one. Picture. Come to the person with me take the picture. Me no look good on the picture, you know. Me no look good on the picture, ya. So how they make my face look so on this picture, ya? This picture, This picture don't look good at all. Me no like the picture, ya. We don't say picture in Jamaica. Picture is too nice. We say picture. Even Vibes Cartel use it in his song. Picture this. Breast specialist have your two nipple them in me and them a turn and twist. Them a swing for me ting like this. Oh! We don't say picture. It's picture. It's very funny, y'all. I bet most of you don't even realize how we pronounce the words until we actually point it out. Cause me say the same thing. Picture. Pass the album, make me look on them picture there. Forehead. Forehead. My forehead looks so big. Me covered, you know. Don't want y'all to see my forehead. Lord God, why your forehead so big? Girl, how you get that big forehead there from? Your father's side or your mother's side? Which one? So we mispronounce forehead for forehead. Oh my goodness, we're the best. We are the best. I'm having a cold right now, guys, so bear with me. Excuse me. You know the little geometry set that we use in our mathematics class, you know, with the ruler and etc, etc. We don't say geometry set. Geometry set. Lend me a geometry set. Me can borrow your geometry set 5 minutes. Me, you know, so teacher say we need the textbook for maths class and we have to buy with geometry set. Geometry set. Another one is mortgage. So all you want buy house, you can play the mortgage. It's not mortgage, guys, it's mortgage. Me we borrow money and pay my mortgage.
I can pay my mortgage.
So you think you can pay your mortgage and me can pay my mortgage? Me can pay my mortgage. Mortgage. Pregnant. You guys will think that's spelled pregnant, but it's pregnant. Back home, it's not pregnant. Jamaicans pronounce it pregnant. I hope I'm not pregnant. You're pregnant, you know, because you know your mother will kill you. You know, say a two picking Caroline have, and it look like she pregnant again. How was she gonna do with so much pitney do, ma? A most common one is morning. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Now, most of you guys would say calculator. But in Jamaica we say calculator. Lend me the calculator there. Pass the calculator. So this one, you see, when somebody dead, first you have your setup or your night, and then you go to a funeral. But we say funeral. Yo, you got me some brown funeral. I got no funeral. I get afraid when I go funeral. I don't think I go on a funeral. What is violence? Violence. We say violence. We mispronounce this word, you guys. It's not violence. It's violence. Violence. Not violence. We say violence. WEATHER. What is the weather like today? Check the weather, make me know. Alexa, what is the weather? Weather. Weather. Anybody check the weather for today? Doctor. Some of you say doctor. Some of you say doctor. We say doctor. You all of them right. Whether you say doctor, 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 is the same thing. Any one of them you hear, you know what it means. Not true. It no matter. Now, this is the last one. Certificate. Yes, you will get your certificates after graduation. We don't say certificate. We say certificate. So it's actually tiffy, but we say fitty. We switch up the words. We switch up the T-I-F-I. So the proper pronunciation is the one T-I-F-I. But we mix it up and we say F-I-T-I. So instead of certificate, we say certificate. 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 Some of us even say certificate. Certificate. It's kind of like a mini tongue twister, you see? Try say it fast. Certificate. Oh well, I said it. Certificate. Certificate. What? Certificate. Certificate. Me want me certificate. Pass me certificate. Me need me certificate. Hey. Pass me certificate. Hey. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends, share it with your family. Hit that subscribe red button, make it gray, join the family. And if there are any words that you know we mispronounce in Jamaica that I haven't mentioned in this video, just drop them in the comment section below. We'll read them. In fact, I can't wait to see them. So yeah, peace out, y'all. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the continuing support. Bless up yourself. Peace out, and I'll see you in my next video. Pow. Pow.